36 years old now. Even at this very point of my life, sometimes I wonder how much free will I have and don't have. And I think that the more a person gets in touch with their inner being and they become more conscious, not necessarily more smart. It's not about if you have more facts, if you have more knowledge, but literally conscious of your inner motivations and inner intentions. You start to realize that you were born into a situation already carrying a lot within you that was built before you, from ancestors, from other situations, and you're also thrust into a world and a universe with so many forces going on around you outside your control.